Welcome back to this channel, where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is Lloyd Millen, and I'll be reading one of my favorite passages. For more information about me, you can check the description box below. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And come back every morning at 5 o'clock Jamaican time for a new reading.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, we are going to read from Acts chapter 1, 1 to 11. Theophilus, in my first book, I write about all of the things that Jesus do, and when teach from the start till the day he get taken up in heaven. That I did after Jesus used the Holy Spirit to tell him apostle them when they pick what he wanted to do. After him did suffer and dead on the cross, he come back alive and show himself to him apostle them. He proved to them in enough different way, say him alive. For about 40 days, him keep on show up amongst them, time after time, and talk to them about God's kingdom. One at a time, when they did eat with him tell them, say, turn to Jerusalem and wait for what my father promised to give you. The same sitting when we did tell them about. Because John baptized people with water, but a couple of years from now, God will baptize you with the Holy Spirit. So when them come together, them ask him, say, Lord, and now you have a cause the Israel people them to rule again? Him said to them, say, uncle my father one of the power to decide when that will happen. And him not long if you know that. But the Holy Spirit will come upon you and follow up with power. And you will tell people in Jerusalem, Judea, Samaria, and all over the world about me. As he done to them, God take him up in heaven right in front of them. And when he did go, one cloud hid him so they couldn't see no more. Then they still are looking at the sky when Jesus did go. When all of a sudden, two men dressed in a white clothes come turn upside at them and said to them, say, oh no man will come from Galilee. When they come not turn up here, so we don't know you pass upon the sky. The same Jesus that when we see get take up from in heaven, he might go come back the same way, just like all only they see him go up in heaven. And God would that. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.